Okay, here's a run down Phloem, Maple Mountain. Some big sweeping berms here. Oh, and this nice feature, all rollable. It's a perfect fall day to take a nice chill ride. I keep hearing a dirty rumor that they're going to extend this trail higher up the mountain, which would be really sweet. This is the Phloem is the double D of maple. I do not know the traditional Hul'qumi'num name for this mountain though. I'd like to know what that is. Nice. Taking little breaks today. This is our first ride since our whole family got taken out with COVID. Ironically, on the very same day that Joe Biden in the United States announced that the pandemic was over, we all tested positive for COVID for the first time. That seems like pretty funny in hindsight now. It was a pretty rough ride there for 4 or 5 days. I'm just hoping we don't have any of these long symptoms that people are talking about, but I'm out here today riding. Those guys are a little bit close there. Oh, this is such a lovely trail. And I've got to take it easy. Yeah, 4 days of kind of intense fever. And it finally kind of broke open in the middle of the night 4 or 5 days ago, and I could just feel like the veil of COVID kind of lifted. Such a strange array of symptoms, but I do, at the moment, seem to have lost my sense of smell a bit. I can't smell anything right now. This forest probably smells gorgeous today. At the moment, I can't smell anything. Trying to work on body position here a bit. Get a little bit lower. Like I learned old school, like just get back on the back end. Way back in the early days. And now I'm learning to position my body a bit more with some of the coaching folks have been sharing with me. Get low, knees bent. To enjoy those sweeping corners a bit more. God, it feels good to be out here. I'm even sick. And you've had this thing that's been terrorizing the world for a few years now. 2.5 years. It's a beautiful look out here. I'll just stop and take a look. Gorgeous day. Hul'qumi'num territory. Look at that. All clear cut. Scotch broom invading everywhere. It's all been replanted. Looks like maybe year-olds or 2-year-olds. 3-year-olds maybe. This is a working forest. I wish there wasn't clear cutting. It feels like there's a better way, but it's not as economically viable. But it sure is devastating to the environment. We gotta find another way. Decimate an ecosystem without leaving any of the older trees in place. Very hard for the forest to recover, if even at all possible. Age and species diversity in these forests for intact ecosystems can't all be replanted with exactly the same high production, genetically modified trees. And as beautiful as it is here, God only knows if this has been sprayed or not in here. I suppose there might be a way to find that out. Anyway, I'm just gonna enjoy the ride here. A few days ago I thought I was dying, and I'm out here. It's okay. It's all good for now. Back into the forest. Oh, I've broken a chain here before. Transitioning, shifting in that spot. Still haven't nailed it very well. Last Enduro of the Island Cup Series. It's gonna roll through here next weekend, I think. Presuming this trail's on a race. I'm not sure. Beautiful old one that came down here. A little bit of a climb in here now. I think we head back down from here, if I remember correctly. Looks like I picked up something sticky on my front wheel. Can't quite see what it is. Doesn't look serious. Okay, here we go. Back down. Oh, not quite. I haven't been here in a while. I don't remember all the trail details. It gets down from up here. And then here's our down point. Maybe not. Oh no, little slug people. Okay, that was Phloem. You can catch Solar Coaster down here or hit the main line, which is what I'm going to do because my post-COVID lungs are a bit cooked today still. There you go.